I was a rapper back in the 90s. Don't know if some of you might remember the song that I did, Doing It and Doing It and Doing It Well with LL Cool J. I think that I got the bug for living tiny when I was on tour. My budget was 50 grand. When I came in under budget on the purchase price, it gave me a lot more flexibility to put that money into just kind of gutting out everything. As soon as you come in, you are welcomed by my lounge area. I love this kitchen for so many reasons. I ended up doing a stainless steel backsplash. And then, of course, you know, we cannot forget my beautiful island that I built. It's not a bad thing if you want to downsize. Now, are you ready for the superstar of the house, my beautiful boudoir?